Pro Exterior Services here with a different type of job. It's a fence. Got this yard. We originally upsold the house, shed, fence, the whole package, and she came back and said she could only afford the fence right now. So anyway, something I really don't like to do, but we're gonna come out and give it a shot and see how it looks. So we're gonna do a test spot in this corner. Let's just check it out. And look, guys, I know there's certain ways of doing wood, and everybody has their way, and sodium precarbonate and all this other stuff, which I think is the right way to do it. But today we're downstreaming, let it marinate, and come back with a little bit of pressure and just hit it. I'm not trying to spend all day out here. Tony's already hooked up water, got the water running. You can pull a gray hose. So that's all we're trying to do today. We're gonna catch all that, and then over here, I'm not the wood whisperer or the wood wizard and all this. Not touching the house. All that. This is a complete mess though. Hit this. I mean, the fence is falling apart. I don't know. I don't get it. I would rather wash my house than a fence, but that's just me. And we're gonna hit this section too. So we may have to pull over here. It just depends. We're gonna start over here and just give it a test. And if it's not gonna work out too well, I'm just gonna walk away. You know, with wood, old fences, I like to make sure that the customer's expectations are set, which I've already set. But I told her, look, I'll make a pass. If you like it, I like it. That's all that matters. If she's happy, I'm happy. Because again, I'm not going to restore the wood to new condition. I'm just going to do it the best I can. So we're going to give it a shot. Anyway, catch up with you in a minute. Peace. All right, everyone, we're going to go ahead and try to get that downstream on there. See how it looks. Already pre-wet. Then we're going to let it wet. We're going to let it marinate for a minute. See how it looks. Wait for soap. There we go. We got some soap. And again, we're just doing this side. Let that sit. Hold that gun, Tony. We'll let that sit, and we're going to come back and hit it with a J-rod. J-rod tip. You can change. Well, so we'll let this sit for about 10-15 minutes. So it's 3:42. We'll get back in a second. Peace. Everybody, this is the before, and this is what we just sprayed with downstream. So I'm gonna back up. I don't know if the light's good enough, but it is a lot cleaner. But you got some green that's embedded, and we even tried a little bit high pressure, and we're not getting it off. So I don't want to. This is about the best we're gonna get it. So if she's happy with this, we're happy. We can roll out of here. It didn't take us too long to do that. So what we're planning to do is probably catch this fence real quick, wet it down. Tony, go ahead and wet this fence, and then we'll do the bypass and put some downstream on it, and just let it marinate. By the time we'll get rolling, it'll be good marinated. And I even went outside and checked the other side of the fence to make sure that the stain on the fence didn't turn or anything. I rinsed it off over here. You see you got some green stain or whatever it is. Oh, I gotta take this call. I'll catch you up. Peace. How about that? I had to take the call. It's another quote. Gotta go do another quote. Gotta answer that phone. So anyway, I'm happy with that. Me, if this is my fence, but this ain't my fence, so I'm just a guy doing the work. Like, I don't know what this is. Look how thick this is. It's almost like, you know what? That's paint. I think. Looks like paint. I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not. So anyway, Tony's pre-wetting. I'll go turn the bypass. We're pre-wetting. And hit it with that downstream, baby. All right, peace. This is live action. I just wanted to show you guys how we're doing this. Make one pass, don't stop. There you go. So you can see it's coming cleaner. A lot cleaner. Get some of those fence boards real quick. Yeah, look. So it ain't even, it's not taking much pressure. Using an M5 twist, bypass off, or on, however you got your setup. I'm just catching, yeah, looking good. Alright guys, catch up with you. Peace. Had a little issue with water. Couldn't get no water, so we did this side. this whole interior of the phone. And went ahead and downstreamed this, pre-wet it, downstreamed it. Now we're hitting this side. We're gonna catch that side and that side, and we'll be done. But yeah, we got held up a lot with the water situation. So I decided to pick up the 9 gallon a minute, take out the 4 gallon a minute, and use that just so we can work. At least we're not waiting on water, even if we just stay stagnant. Check the Hudson flow valve, clean as a whistle. Checked all the filters, clean as a whistle. It's just not enough flow here. So we're starting to get a little bit more now, so let's see. Yeah, we're at the second tier, so that's good. Anyway, that's where we at, folks. By the way, the customer came out and says, oh my gosh, it looks brand new. I mean, it does look a lot better than what it did. Looks 20 times, 100 times better. And since I'm not doing a heavy concentrate of bleach, I'm just putting a lot of extra water on it. I'm not putting no acrylic acid in it, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and roll with that. Get it done. We're taking turns on a gun. That way you don't weigh stuff out. All right, catch up in a minute. Peace. All right, guys and girls, still using that 4 GPM unit. Water's holding steady at about 50 gallons. We're taking turns. I'm catching the top. He's catching the bottom on about 4 sections. Rotate, rotate, rotate. That way we don't wear each other out. We're using a J-rod, high pressure J-rod tip. So it's working good. It's coming nice. Getting what we can. We're getting this in vegetation here, so we're going to work around it. We've got this left to do, this little section, and we're out of here. So again, we got held up. We waited for water. I checked the Hudson valve. It was a problem, so we got to fit. I got to carry more water. I think I'm gonna start carrying about 100 gallons minimum, 125. So anyway, we'll get caught up on a rebound. All right, peace. Right, we're in our last section here. We're just gonna finish up, knock it out. Talk about a pain in the toe. Let's just call it that. Another text. Geez, the phone don't stop. My body's aching. I don't know what's going on. We'll go check on the truck, see how we're doing on water. But it wasn't a bad job. I mean, unfortunately, we couldn't use the big machine because that was going twice as fast with the volume of water you spit out. Oh my gosh. But, you know, hey, good to have that backup, that 4 gallon. I mean, you know, even a 5 gallon probably would have worked. But it's good to have that backup. So let's go check the water situation out. Oh yeah, we're good on water. See, it's holding steady. Good on bleach. Yeah, we didn't use much bleach. Working out good. Alright guys, we're about to wrap it up. Catch you on a rebound. Alright, peace. Everybody back at the house. Got one of my favorites, the Blue Moon iced coffee. Anyway, got everything covered up. We like to cover our bleach up just to cover it, and our machines to keep covered up as well. Anyway, fence job, remind me. I'll never take a fence job again. Although we made some decent money on it, but I'm just not my thing. All right. Appreciate the likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. Peace.